So, as most of you know, there was recently a documentary that showed some of the challenges that Wendy Williams is having with her brain health. And I think it's super important for us to have a conversation around exactly what is being shown in this documentary. I'm Dr. Gettings, and I am a double certified child, adolescent, and adult psychiatrist. I am trained by celebrity Dr. Amen in SPECT imaging, which is a nuclear imaging tool that allows us to look at brain activity and identify disease states in the brain before things progress to the point that we can see on this documentary. Most of us know Wendy Williams as an amazing talk show host. I watched her show very often when she was still on air. How you doing? And I was really conflicted about watching this documentary because understanding her mental status led me to think about the ethical implications of putting her on the screen, knowing that she likely didn't have the insight and judgment to fully understand the exposure and what could come of that. What I want everyone to take away from her journey through her brain health is that our brains are super important and there is a formula to take care of it. If you are aware, she has battled with alcohol dependence, from what I gathered, and alcohol is a major brain toxin, even when consumed in minor amounts. But when we overly indulge in alcohol, it does cause shrinkage to our neurons and specifically in the frontal lobe. If a person is able to abstain and get the treatment that they need early on, then some of that damage can be reversed. But over time, if a person continues to abuse that substance, that damage can be irreversible. And what they can present with is called frontal temporal dementia. And every day when I scan people, I'm able to show them the activity in their frontal lobe. There's no reason why any of us cannot proactively prevent diseases such as the one that our sister is struggling with right now. And so I want to make this healthy message today and encourage you to be proactive about your brain health. When you go to the doctor, if the doctor is telling you that some of the mental changes that you may be experiencing are due to a toxic substance, make sure you get help from a professional. What was really disturbing for me in this documentary was to see how people who are not in their right state of mind, as we sometimes say, can be exploited and abused. And I'm praying for Wendy and her family. I'm praying for her ability to address the substance dependency that was very much so evident in this documentary. If you want to learn more about your brain health, and definitely if you want to meet your brain on the screen through SPECT, make sure you send an email to info@drgettings.com and I'll get you set up for a brain health literacy consult and SPECT evaluation. Be well.